Hello there. I recently started my bullet journal to organize myself, and now I decided to decorate my last page along with which I will answer all your Instagram questions. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, I want to thank each and everyone for asking such a beautiful questions and supporting me. If you are the one who also want to ask some questions, don't hesitate to put it on comment section. So now our first question is, at what age you started following your passion? So I was in class 1 when I started drawing, and from there I find interest towards it. And sometimes I feel like every artist at least face a situation when you have to choose between your studies or drawing. I face that same, and at the end of the day I never compromise drawings. So if you also want to follow this passion, just don't compromise with your drawings. Always do that. Take your time and go ahead. Now our second question is, where do you learn to draw? Will you draw me? So I never went to art school, but nowadays I'm learning from Skillshare and Udemy. And if you are also want to learn something but don't want to invest, there is one app called Drawing and Painting, from where you can get some filtered drawing tutorials of YouTube. That is very helpful. You can download it and check it out and let me know if it is helpful or not. And the second thing, you ask about drawing you. I just want to improve myself and I don't want to draw you ugly, so have patience. So our third message is not a question, but it is a suggestion that you should try glass painting, and I will definitely gonna try that. Once I think I tried it and I messed it up, so I leave it as it is. So I'm gonna try it again. So now let's move to our fourth question, which is the thing we don't know about you. So I'm going to make a small Udemy course for watercolor portraits, and I think I revealed it. The fifth question is, what is my favorite artwork? It is kind of funny because I don't have any favorite artwork yet, because I never satisfy with my drawings. And when I was child, I remember I was so proud of my drawings. Those days are so beautiful. Now I never satisfy with what I draw, and I can say fully satisfied because I at least satisfied with the one beat I will to leave. Okay, now our sixth question is, how you draw so well? So I just mentioned that I never satisfy with what I draw, and I don't think I draw so well because the point I want to reach is so far, and I think I have to do a lot of work for it. And if we talk about now, you just need to try new things and practice. Now let's move to our seventh question, that is, which one you enjoy more, watercolor, acrylic or oil? So I obviously enjoy watercolor more because I'm doing it from my childhood, but I definitely want to try oil because I love how the result looks and I want to learn it, and someday I definitely gonna learn that. So yeah, now let's move to our eighth question, that is, where are you from? You draw very well. Where you learn from? So thank you so much. And second, I am from Champa, Chhattisgarh, India, and I learned from myself and YouTube and Pinterest, and nowadays I'm learning from Udemy, Skillshare and the app I mentioned. And now let's move to our eighth question, that is, when did you start sketching? Are you following any specific course? So I started sketching from my childhood, from class 1, and I'm not doing any specific course. I'm doing a lot of course altogether. I'm doing watercolor studies, I'm doing some realism portrait drawings, and yeah, I think that's it. Now let's move to our last question, that is, I love your drawings. How you take proportion to draw faces? So there is not one particular method to draw faces. I use Loomis method grid method, calculation methods, and I think this is a huge topic to discuss, but for now this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy answering all your questions, and if you also want to ask any question, comment on below. See you next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.